Advenate Hybrid. The Advenate Hybrid is a smart, all-in-one shelter designed for adventurers who want to travel light without sacrificing protection. It combines the best features of a tent, bivy sack, and emergency shelter into one compact and easy-to-carry package. Instead of bulky tent poles, it's designed to be set up using trekking poles, saving weight and space in your backpack. It's perfect for hikers, backpackers, and survivalists who need a quick and reliable place to rest in any weather. The shelter is made from durable, weather-resistant material that keeps you dry, warm, and protected from wind and rain. It also includes a built-in ground sheet and ventilation panels, making it more comfortable than a basic bivy. Inside, there's enough space for one person and some gear, giving you the essentials without the extra bulk. The whole kit folds down to a very small size and is light enough to bring on any trip, even in tough conditions. Adventure Mate AMV2. The Adventure Mate AMV2 is the ultimate outdoor tool for anyone who loves camping, hiking, or exploring the wild. It's a powerful 5-in-1 tool that combines an axe, saw, shovel, hammer, and hook, all in one compact and easy-to-carry design. Weighing just 4.8 pounds, it's strong, practical, and saves space in your gear bag. The axe is made from high-carbon steel and is perfect for splitting firewood. The 6.5-inch saw has a special blade that helps prevent jamming, making cutting branches a breeze. The shovel includes footrests and a sharpened edge to help dig through tough ground easily. The hammer and hook are ideal for driving in tent pegs or lifting and pulling objects at your campsite. Alpcore Portable Toilet. Believe it or not, we spend about a year of our lives in the bathroom, so even while camping, comfort should never be ignored. The Alpcore Portable Toilet is a smart and handy solution for outdoor trips, long road journeys, or even emergencies at home. It's lightweight, weighing under 7 kilograms, and packs neatly into its own carry bag, making it super easy to transport. Despite its compact size, it can hold up to 20 liters of waste, so you don't have to empty it too often. Setup is simple, and it feels just like a regular toilet, giving you a clean and comfortable experience wherever you go. At around $150, it's a great value considering the convenience it brings. You can also pair it with accessories like waste bags or odor control tablets for an even better experience. Whether you're deep in the woods or stuck in traffic, this portable toilet makes sure you're always prepared. Coalax Lancer 300. The Coalax Lancer 300 is a smart and powerful backpack made for people who love photography and video making. It's more than just a bag. It's like a mini studio you can carry anywhere. With over 30 liters of space inside, it easily fits a large camera, drone, and other gear you need. One of its coolest features is a built-in tripod that extends up to 1.5 meters and rotates 360 degrees. This means you can film or take photos without using your hands. It also comes with a strong 300-watt battery that can charge your laptop up to 5 times. Going off-grid? No problem. The 25-watt solar panel keeps your gear powered even when you're outdoors. Whether you're shooting in the wild or exploring the city, this backpack keeps you ready for every shot. Right now, the Lancer 300 is only available for pre-order, but it's packed with features that make it worth the wait. Eno Double Nest Hammock. The Eno Double Nest Hammock is your go-to gear for chilling in the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, backpacking, or just lounging in your backyard, this hammock gives you the perfect place to relax. It's made from strong but soft free-wave fabric that easily fits 1 or 2 people, making it great for solo rest or sharing with a friend. The setup is fast and simple, with durable carabiners and triple-stitched seams that keep you secure and supported. When you're ready to move on, the hammock packs down into its built-in stuff sack, so it's super compact and easy to carry anywhere. Weighing just over a pound, it's a lightweight yet tough option for outdoor adventures. It comes in a variety of vibrant colors and patterns to match your style and usually costs between $50 and $80, depending on the design and retailer. Whether you're hanging it between 2 trees in the forest or setting it up in the backyard for an afternoon nap. Escapade Topo 2. The Escapade Topo 2 is a rugged and stylish off-road teardrop trailer built for adventure lovers who want comfort wherever they go. Designed with a single-piece composite body and reinforced with a strong PET core, it's tough enough to handle extreme weather and bumpy trails. Its custom suspension system makes even the roughest ride feel smooth and stable. Inside, there's a spacious and cozy sleeping area for two, perfect for a peaceful night under the stars. At the back, it features a smartly designed outdoor kitchen, so you can cook meals easily while enjoying nature. The trailer is packed with thoughtful details and built to last, combining durability with sleek looks and modern functionality. Whether you're heading into the mountains, desert, or forest, the Topo 2 gives you everything you need in a compact, mobile base camp. It's easy to tow, built to explore, and ready for any terrain you throw at it. Gasone S8300. The Gas One S8300 is the perfect portable stove for outdoor adventures. Lightweight and compact, it weighs less than 2 kilograms and is about the size of a 1-liter water bottle, making it super easy to carry in your backpack or camping gear. It runs on butane and is packed with smart safety features. One feature automatically shuts off the gas if pressure gets too high, while another makes you turn and press the knob at the same time to ignite it, helping to prevent any accidents. Despite its small size and single burner, it's powerful enough to handle everyday cooking needs. Its wide, sturdy legs give great support, so you can easily use standard pots and pans. Whether you're frying eggs or boiling water, it gets the job done efficiently. This stove is ideal for campers, hikers, or even for emergency use at home. Gerber Freescape Camp Kitchen Kit is the perfect all-in-one cooking companion for your camping adventures. Weighing just 2 pounds, this compact set is like bringing a small kitchen with you wherever you go. Inside the sturdy case, you'll find 2 high-quality stainless steel knives with rubber-coated handles for a safe and comfortable grip. The blades, measuring 3 and 3.8 inches, are held securely in place with magnets so they won't move around during travel. The top of the case doubles as a 10 by 8 inch cutting board, giving you a clean, sturdy surface to slice, dice, and prep your food. Haven Safari. The Haven Safari is a clever camping invention that brings home-like comfort to the outdoors. It's a mix between a tent and a hammock, letting you sleep comfortably almost anywhere, whether in the wild or in your own backyard. Its unique patented design features a large 30 by 80 inch airbed that supports all sleeping positions, so you can rest on your back, side, or stomach with ease. Made from durable 300D polyester, it can support up to 350 pounds and weighs just 12 pounds, making it easy to carry on your outdoor trips. The kit includes a mosquito net to keep bugs out, an awning for protection from wind and rain, and fasteners so you can set it up between trees or on the ground. With several color options and design variations, the Haven Safari is great for campers, hikers, or anyone who wants a peaceful night's sleep under the stars. It's lightweight, cozy, and built for adventure. OZ Trail Blockout Tent. The OZ Trail Blockout Tent is perfect for anyone who wants better sleep and comfort while camping. Its special blockout fabric blocks up to 95% of sunlight, so you can sleep in peacefully even after sunrise. This feature also helps keep the tent cooler on hot days and warmer during chilly nights, making it ideal for camping in any season. Inside, it offers generous space for multiple people, giving you plenty of room to sleep, relax, and store your gear. Whether you're camping solo, with a partner, or bringing the whole family, the tent's layout is designed for comfort and practicality. Setting it up is super quick, thanks to its fast frame system, so no more long, stressful assembly. You'll have more time to enjoy nature, cook, or just chill out. Built for both casual campers and seasoned adventurers, the OZ Trail Blockout Tent combines ease, durability, and comfort into one reliable package. If you're looking for a tent that lets you sleep better, stay cooler or warmer, and set up faster, this one ticks all the boxes. OZ Trail Blockout Tent. The OZ Trail Blockout Tent is perfect for anyone who wants better sleep and comfort while camping. Its special blockout fabric blocks up to 95% of sunlight, so you can sleep in peacefully even after sunrise. This feature also helps keep the tent cooler on hot days and warmer during chilly nights, making it ideal for camping in any season. Inside, it offers generous space for multiple people, giving you plenty of room to sleep, relax, and store your gear. Whether you're camping solo, with a partner, or bringing the whole family, the tent's layout is designed for comfort and practicality. Setting it up is super quick thanks to its fast frame system, so no more long, stressful assembly. You'll have more time to enjoy nature, cook, or just chill out. Built for both casual campers and seasoned adventurers, the OZ Trail Blockout Tent combines ease, durability, and comfort into one reliable package. If you're looking for a tent that lets you sleep better, stay cooler or warmer, and set up faster, this one ticks all the boxes. Pomoli Lumberjack Fast Fold Stove. The Pomoli Lumberjack Fast Fold Stove is a tough, reliable wood-burning stove made for campers who want warmth and comfort in the wild. Built from strong stainless steel, this stove is designed to fold flat, making it super easy to pack and carry. Its clever fast fold design means you can set it up in just a minute. No tools needed. It's perfect for cold weather camping, especially in a hot tent setup. The wide firebox burns wood efficiently and gives off a strong, steady heat to keep you warm even in freezing conditions. One of its standout features is the large glass window on the front, so you can enjoy the cozy glow of the fire and keep an eye on the flames without opening the door. It also includes a chimney pipe for safe indoor use in tents. Weighing around 20 pounds, it's sturdy yet portable, great for long trips or winter camping. Safari Condo Alto R11713. The Safari Condo Alto R7113 is a compact yet surprisingly spacious travel trailer made for those who love to explore without giving up comfort. Its standout feature is the retractable roof, which lowers for easy storage and towing, but pops up to create a roomy, bright interior filled with natural light. Built with a lightweight aluminum frame and aerodynamic design, it's easy to tow with smaller vehicles and fuel-efficient too. Inside, you get a well-equipped kitchen, a practical bathroom, and enough space to relax or sleep comfortably. Whether you're heading out on a road trip or spending a weekend in nature, this trailer gives you the freedom to travel while enjoying the comforts of home. The clever layout makes great use of space, offering seating, sleeping, and storage without feeling cramped. It's ideal for solo adventurers or couples who want a reliable and stylish camper that's both functional and fun. Scrubba Water Clear Wash Bag. The Scrubba Water Clear Wash Bag is a game changer for anyone who travels, hikes, or camps. It's a small, lightweight bag that lets you wash your clothes anywhere. No machines needed. Just add a little water, put in your clothes, and rub them inside the bag using its built-in washboard. After a quick rinse, you're done. You only need 5 liters of water to wash 2 t-shirts, 2 pairs of socks, and some underwear. A fast wash takes just 30 seconds, while a deep clean takes about 3 minutes. It's perfect for outdoor lovers, and also a smart choice for business travelers who don't want to spend a fortune on laundry. While laundromats in Europe can charge around $9 per load and hotels might bill $5 per item, the Scrubba bag costs just $41 for unlimited use. It saves money, water, and time, and it folds up small enough to fit in your backpack or suitcase. SpaceX Air Camper. The SpaceX Air Camper is a modern, smart camping trailer made in Australia that brings comfort and convenience to your outdoor adventures. What makes it special is its automatic setup. You don't have to lift a finger. It unfolds on its own and even stabilizes itself. Inside, there's enough room for 4 adults and 2 kids to sleep comfortably. It's packed with helpful features like a full kitchen with 3 burners, a 5.3-gallon mini fridge, and even a DVD player to keep everyone entertained. Despite all these home-like comforts, this camper is built to handle the wild. With its strong suspension system and 4 gas shock absorbers, it can go off-road and handle bumpy terrain easily. Plus, there's a spare tire in case you run into any trouble. It has a 1,430-pound payload capacity, meaning you can bring everything you need without worrying about space. Vec Baikal 8. When the cold is so intense that warming up your car needs a blowtorch, you know it's no ordinary weather. That's exactly the kind of extreme environment where the Vec Baikal 8 tent proves its strength. Tested in brutal temperatures as low as minus 57 degrees Celsius, this tent is built with a special 3-layer design, just like a thermos, to lock in warmth and block out the cold. It's one of the toughest tents out there and has earned a reputation as the best in its class. Despite its solid build, it's still easy to manage. Weighing just 11.2 kilograms with the frame included, it can comfortably fit up to 8 people, making it perfect for group adventures in freezing regions. Whether you're skiing through the Arctic or camping in deep snow, this tent gives you peace of mind and all the protection you need. It's been trusted for over 25 years, showing just how reliable it is.